Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by opening Microsoft Teams and signing in. This ensures your calendar and contacts sync. Once signed in, check devices in settings so audio and video are routed correctly. That avoids interruptions. Next, choose whether you need an instant call or a scheduled meeting and pick a channel or attendees. Make these choices now so you can create the meeting with the right permissions and context. Doing this upfront saves rework later. You create the meeting by using Calendar New Meeting. Fill the title and invitees so everyone sees it in their calendar. Once done, paste a short agenda in the description to set expectations and add a Teams channel if you want conversation history. Make sure to open meeting options to control lobby behavior and presenter roles, because these settings determine who joins directly and who can record. Then, save and send the invite so participants receive the link. You join a few minutes early to confirm camera framing and audio levels, and to greet anyone who joins in the lobby. During the call, use Share to present your screen or PowerPoint live for smoother slides. Manage participants by muting lines or changing roles to prevent interruptions. If something breaks, try restarting Teams first, then switch to another microphone or browser. If problems persist, use the web client as a fallback. That often resolves client-specific glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.